Which two-way table contains the same information as the Venn diagram? Okay, so anytime I'm given a Venn diagram, first I like to imagine splitting the circles apart. So I'm going to kind of draw my own green circle up here, or green oval. And I have the number 13 and 4 in that green circle. So if I wanted to know the total number of people that danced, I would add those together. And that tells me that there's 17 total people in that green circle who danced. And then I would do the same thing for the blue circle. I like to split it apart. And in this blue circle, if you look down here, you'll see that you have 4 and 9. So if I add those together, I know that there's a total of 13 people who sang. I need to do that for myself just because I think it's easier to visualize, because it's so easy to get caught up and say, oh, only 13 people danced. Well, that's not true. 17 people danced. These people just did both. So I like to split them apart and find the total of each circle first. And then a lot of times that'll actually give me my answer. So like if we look at the total number of people who danced in each of them, notice that B and C only have 13 people dancing when we know that there's 17 people dancing. So we can actually go ahead and get our answer just based off of that. I can go into more detail if you want me to, but if we wanted to keep going, I don't want to keep going because we already have the answer. Happy day.